Hello, everyone. We are going to get started on this talk about human identity for those of you who are here. I'm Sallyann. Pleasure to meet you. So, if you will see up there, I have something that's really unexpected when it comes to identity NFTs about human identity. I know I can see your face. And I'm not talking about art. So let me talk to you about what do I mean in human identity and this space. So I'm the founder of a company called GLEAC, which is a traditional Web 2 business. This traditional Web 2 business looks at human skills. And I'm talking about things like creativity, judgment and decision making, entrepreneurship, and it allows you to access industry experts and shortens the distance between you and industry expert knowledge. Now, how does a Web 2 upskilling traditional business get into a Web 3 NFT type of space? And when you think of NFTs, I'm sure this is what you guys all think about: art. Art leads revolutions, and that's how come you know NFT technology, notice I said NFT technology, is actually going to lead some of the greatest innovations coming for us. Most people don't understand what NFT technology entails. If you don't know what Maslow hierarchy of needs are, this is an NFT hierarchy of needs. It starts with it being art, but the highest level is transformational use cases. And for those of you who don't know what an NFT is, it's just code that attaches things to blockchain. So you know how you have C# and you have JavaScript? An NFT is just Solidity code. Don't let anybody fool you. It's just code that attaches things to blockchain. And blockchain, sorry that it's blurred that way, is the perfect notebook. That's all blockchain is. Just think about a notebook. You cannot scratch anything off, and you cannot rip any pages out. So now that that's what NFTs and blockchain is, think about use cases. We will actually be able to get to carbon neutral by having appliances on blockchain, where our washers can talk to our refrigerators and power up and power down, going, by the way, Mohammed over there has done extra laundry today. Can you please power down? Dishwasher, can you please power down refrigerator, in terms of getting to carbon neutral? And I'm just sharing with you the use cases because we will get back to human identity, because most people do not understand the technology. Automated vehicles, NFT technology. So just imagine you're in an automated vehicle and you want to get somewhere faster. Your vehicle can actually speak to another vehicle and say, I'll pay your tolls today. And you will that car will move aside and you can actually move faster. That's actually how NFT technology is going to go from machines to machines. The traditional way that you are seeing use cases today is in provenance, transparency. Where I am using it is in tokenization of human identity. So all of the things that make us uniquely human, how can I time capsule that on blockchain using NFT technology is the body of work that I'm working on. And I'm doing that with 500 plus of the world's leading industry experts in areas of fintech, data, Web3. These are the areas where I have everyone from the CEO of Cleveland Clinic in the US to the original inventor of VR, Dr. Thomas Furness, to the person guiding both Cambodia and Vietnam in their entire crypto central bank strategy. I've taken the world's best experts and I'm making them available to you on blockchain technology. And the reason I'm doing that, and I'm doing it through 5 layers, it's a utility NFT of human identity, is in those 5 hours of time, you can further tokenize what happens in that time with the industry expert. IP, all the patents that come out of those conversations and things that get invented will get tokenized. You can also, I'm stitching together industry experts into the first, I don't want to say metaverse, but mixed reality museum of wisdom, where you can interact with people's wisdom. So I want you to think about that in terms of today, if I want to look at an industry expert, I go on Wikipedia or I go on LinkedIn. But what if I can right here sit and interact with your wisdom in a room? Interestingly, I want you to think about all of your old school Facebook profiles. Just imagine if all of you can now tokenize your Facebook profiles or any of your profiles, and all of you can put your expertise out there and say, you know what? I'm available for 5 hours of time. You can tokenize my expertise and let us do things together. So I will end on this note. I can't go back. I will end on this note for all of you. Every single one of you who is sitting here and around, all of you have data of human ingenuity. It's incredible that we all miss it. So all of you are going to look at each other's LinkedIn profiles, and all of you are going to look at all other things about yourself, look up each other on the app, and the thing that makes every single one of you uniquely you is actually missed. Maybe it might be your judgment and decision making. Maybe it might be your leadership. And all of that is missed, and everyone here is missing interacting with each other in that particular way. And that's what I am spending, that's my body of work. By the time I'm done, I'm building the largest data lake of human skills and the application of it. My technology just powered Expo 2020. We power the Jayo platform in India. We power UNICEF. We power the Monster Job Portal. We're sitting very, very quietly observing human behavior and building knowledge graphs that will one day power countries and one day power systems and train AI about human skills. And this is just one simple channel of how it is we're capturing the data to do it. So thank you guys very, very much. I don't know if I'm allowed to ask people if they have questions, but why not? Does anybody have questions? I will be the rebel. Does anybody have any questions? Yes? Yes, go ahead.
How are you collecting the data for human skills? Where are you finding it?
So our entire learning system, remember I have a traditional Web 2 business, so our entire learning system are 5 minutes of micro practices that powers some very large companies, and we also have a sandbox of free APIs. We allow job boards to access and telephone companies in their learn and earn models. So a wide variety of data is constantly feeding the data lake. Thank you, guys.